If you locked in right now, you locked in with SMB Cool Kane and Rock Mobb Radio. You got nothing to prove to these niggas. Drop that shit.
Yo, this your boy T-Hot Sinatra, WWESQ Star Quality TV. I'm in the building with your girl L on the new #1 hot spot for the underground and upcoming artists, Rock Mobb Radio. Tune in right now.
Marie, you already know what it is. We here live tonight with Global J.
Global, you already know what it is. Fresh out of Newark, shout out Jersey, shout out all my boys in Jersey. You already know we here with Rock Mobb Entertainment.
You already know Global J about to bless y'all with that Candy Rain Challenge. So all of y'all need to do this. Like, he's 16 years old and he's coming to freestyle for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. He about to flip that shit for you. And turn it up.
Oh, are we going now?
Now presenting Global J.
Check it. Look. Yeah. Hey, shout out all the guys in Newark looking at home. Look, I started writing a long time ago. It was like a little minute. I'm thinking about everything that I'm doing and I did it. I'm looking at all my people, they blessing me on a minute. I'm going up a minute. It's so insane. It's off of the top. I mean, it is off of the brain. I cannot stop. I mean, I'm all for it. I had to go down. I'm writing down all my ish, and now I'm going real hard. And now I'm going real ham. The people loving my style. The people loving my jams. I'm putting on for the city, putting off my state. I'm never writing down nothing, so it's off for the pace. I'm never going in no copy, no taping the pieces. I'm going up for the people. I'm switching up on my places. I'm going in the book, going in for the faces. I'm telling everybody, look at me. I'm going on racing. I'm going fast. See racing. I'm never going chasing my goals. I gotta go and get it, so you know I gotta get it go. A green light, or people wanna see me. I'm going in off the speed lights, and people who wanna be right here with me, or people who doubted in me, people who don't care about me, people who shouted at me, people who don't like me, or people who don't care about me. I'm looking at everybody. I'm blessing spiritually. Now they wanna hear about me. I'm going in for the bars. I'm thinking about everybody. I'm going in for a star. I'm thinking about my mom. My mama, I love her so much. She wanna be like me, but I tell her this, I gotta grow up. Now look at me now, you young boys and grown up. Now I'm going real fast. People like to be slow up. Now I'm telling them no, I gotta get it for sure. I'm going in like this, so ready, set, go. Now get it. Let it rock. Look. Yeah, it's global entertainment. I'm getting these people looking, I'm heavily entertaining. These people don't wanna stop it, these people just wanna hate it. I got so many haters, they might think I'm a debater. Now I'm going in, like I was just in the sin. Now I'm going in here, not fast and I spin here. Now I'm going fast, like I was born to swim here. Now I'm 16, I'm rapping better than all these people that can see here. Now I'm going real fast, shout out the dudes on live. I'm going in for this and I'm rapping for a long time. Not going fast, I'm going real good, I'm going for a minute. I'm switching up on every payment, and like I did it, it was a reminiscent time when I was listening to days. Now I'm going back time when I was looking at the fade. Now I got a fade on cross phase off. Now they wanna sign me like I was off my table. Now I'm going fast like the people wanna stay off. Gotta represent my city, they want no days off. No days off, I'm going home real soon. These people don't like me, so y'all can just stay tuned. So y'all can hate on me, or y'all can debate on me, or y'all can just pray on me, or y'all can just wait on me. I'm the best undersong artist, and I'm going down under 18. These people don't like me, so I gotta go up for the brain. I'm going insane. These people wanted me to be the range. Nah, I'm rapping every message. I gotta hate these people, but it's Newark representing. Yeah, it's Newark representing. Look, and everybody just did it. I mean, I'm going in, and that's I'm in, going to win, and I'm never stopping. My flow is awful. I mean, it's awful. These people don't want me, and I'm gonna spit off of the awful. I'm going in for the people who don't know how I'm going. I'm rapping off and on the top. Now I'm up, look, flowing. I'm messing up on my bars. I'm going in like a star. I'm flying down 5, 4, 3, 2, and the Mars. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. can find me at Global J on SoundCloud, global.j_ on Instagram, and Justin Richards on Facebook. Yeah.
Shout out to Global J, North New Jersey stand up. Anybody you want to shout out right now?
I'm gonna shout out my moms first off, foremost. Rock Mob Radio. Everybody from Newark, you already know if I'm messing with you. Chris, Dorian, Zai, all of them. You already know who y'all are. Bubble.
Shout out to the Super.
Or my girlfriend. Main important. Yeah.
Oh shoot, you heard it here first. Global J's Candy Rain Challenge, y'all. I'm gonna be back with y'all with that unsigned music in a minute. So when I go live, I'm gonna tag all y'all ass in there, and we gonna do what we do. Much love to y'all, and we out until next time.